All right, guys, here we go. This is Italy turn one of Operation Anvil. Italy has 11 to spend. They're going to keep it simple by a transport and an artillery. Got a few combats to declare, so let's get into it. Here in the Horn of Africa, the infantry in Italian Somaliland is going to walk into British Somaliland. I'm going to take an infantry into Kenya, and then an infantry and artillery into Sudan. Into El Alamein, everything from Tobruk. And then I'm going to, I kicked a little metal sheet there. Anyways, I'm going to para 2 infantry into El Alamein. The infantry, artillery in Libya are going to try to take Tunisia, see if they can. How did I do this? Okay, so the sub in 95 is going to hit the destroyer in Malta, along with the 2 fighters from Rome. The battleship and cruiser in 97 are going to go to 93, along with the cruiser from 95. The destroyer is going to is going to go to 98, and then the 2 transports up here are going to pick up an artillery in northern Italy, and then the 2 infantry and tank from Albania, and they're going to land in Transjordan like that. All right, that's it for combat. So I guess we'll start with El Alamein. I've got quite a bit. I got 1 at 3, 5 infantry at 1, and then the mech artillery at 2, and you just got the infantry. Got the hit I needed. Here's the infantry. Ooh, all right, you got a hit. All right, there's an infantry. Tunisia, I've got the infantry artillery. Ooh, all right, awesome, got it. The French guy didn't hit, perfect. So Italy takes Tunisia. All right, let's do the destroyer off Malta. I've got 1 at 2, 2 at 3. Got him twice. Here's the destroyer. He also got a hit. I'll lose the sub. Destroyer will come off. All right, now we got the French guys in 93. I've got 2 at 3, 1 at 4. Ooh, only 1 hit. All right. You've got 1 at 2, 1 at 3. Also 1 hit. You'll lose the destroyer. I'm gonna damage the battleship. All right. So I've got now 1 at 2, 2 at 3 against your 3. I got it. Here's the cruiser. Ugh, you got a hit. Okay, I'll lose a cruiser. 2, didn't want to, but whatever. All right, that's done, that's done. Now we got non-com movements. The Strat bomber will come back to Libya as an air transport. I don't think you can hit me with anything, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. They can't land anywhere. These guys can't. That bomber, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Yeah, okay. So he'll land in Libya. The 2 fighters will come back to Rome. So these guys are here like that. Okay. I'm just thinking here. 4 infantry from Rome will come up to northern Italy. Yeah, actually, yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm also gonna rail 2 infantry to Slovakia, Hungary, and I'm gonna rail also an AA gun and an artillery there. The other AA gun that was in Rome will just go up to northern Italy, and be like that. I'll put the artillery in northern Italy and then build the transport in 97. Yeah, all right, I think that's it for Italy. They go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and British go down 3, French go down 1. So let me come over here. Okay, so Italy's at 15 on the tracker. They cleared the med, so they get 5 for that, so they're at 20, plus 1 for Kenya. 4? Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Plus another 4. So, all right, so Italy will collect 24. That's it. I'll hand it over to the Commonwealth.